Hi, in this video we'll see how to use the VLOOKUP function. For this we have a table containing 6 types of cars with each options. In column F we want to bring the color code based on the column where we have the color. If we're doing manually, we should look on white, then go on our source and find out the code, copy and paste here. But the VLOOKUP function will help us to do it automatically. So write VLOOKUP, press tab, select the lookup value, in our case is the color, so D2. The second argument should contain the source table from where we want to bring the code. So I will select all the columns, and then the third argument will be the number of columns that I want to bring in my table. In our case will be 3 because we have the code on column C. And the last argument can be true or false, meaning 1 for an approximate match and 0 for an exact match. So we will use false, means 0, because we want to bring us the exact match. So close the brackets, hit enter, and as you can see we have the color code in column F based on our lookup value from column D. It's important to know that in order that the VLOOKUP function give us great results, always should be the first column lookup value. So in our case we had color on column E, but if color was here, we should select the VLOOKUP source from B to C, and the column index number should be 2. Let's make here, because as you can see we already have an error, so we will write again VLOOKUP D2 for lookup value, and this time I will select the source. Always start with our lookup value column. So from B to C, column index number will be 2, and again I want exact match, so 0. Close the brackets, hit enter, and we have again the correct codes.